Yes, hi, this is David yet again, and hopefully if you've been following the videos through in their numbered sequence, you'll be feeling fairly comfortable now using VO Pro. What I'm going to do now is in response to a request that I've had. This is possibly a little bit more complex than what we've been doing so far, but I want to show you how this is done. What we're doing here is we're going to scale out of an order where we want to take 50% off at a certain price, 20% off at another price, 20% off at a third price, and let the remaining 10% run and be closed manually. So here's how we do it. Okay, if we go over here to the trade risk, let's assume we want to risk 2% of our account equity on this trade. So what I'm going to do now is type in comma 50, comma 20, comma 20, comma 10. And what that will do is it will split the 2% up into the ratio of 50, 20, 20, 10. So in other words, 50 out of the total of all that, which is 100, will go into one order, 20%, 20 out of the total of 100 will go into another order, 20 into the third order, and 10 into the fourth order. So all I do now is go and create new order in the customary fashion, and we'll just move these around a little bit, like so, and we'll go and execute that order. And you'll notice what VO Pro does. If we look down here in the trading terminal area, it's actually created the 4 orders split in the exact ratio that we wanted them. Okay, so now to get the 4 different profit targets, I'm going to go to modify the 4 orders. So we'll drag modify orders on, and what you'll see now is a bit of a mess because the text is too large. So it's overwriting each other. If we take the text off for a minute, we can see that there are 4 lines there, because the modify orders function allows us to modify multiple orders simultaneously. So of course what we could do is, or could have done, is gone to the orders tab there and simply selected maybe 2 out of the 4 orders, or 3, or all of them, or none of them if I click none there. So we could be modifying some of them rather than all of them. Okay, anyway, what we're going to do now is change the text above the line. So I'll switch it back on again, go back to settings, and we'll change the font here to maybe size 9, and I'll tab down to the next field, and I'll pressing the delete button here to delete the content of that field, tab to the next field. So what we're doing is we're taking out all of those fields, so that when we come back to the chart, all we're showing now is the price. And so now it's just a matter of moving these profit targets to the desired price levels that we want to exit at. Of course, we can extend the lines as rays. I'll just minimize that screen again in case you want to bring them down and look at the prices. And so on. Anyway, once we've finished, we've decided where we want to take profit. And on this 4th order, of course, we decide we want to let it run completely. So I'll just right click and delete it, delete the line. And yep, provided we're happy with all of that, this will be the order here that we take 50% off the table. This will be the second one was the 20%. That's the 20%. You can easily verify that by checking that that's order number that ends in 733, and go down to the trading blotter and check that that's the order that's got the largest position size. Of course, we could also check the position size on the entry line here if we had the font at a suitable size. Anyway, now that we've got all that, we're happy with all that, we simply go and click execute, and there's our 3 take profit levels. And of course, if the trade was to be triggered and continue, then as it progresses, there's nothing to stop us from going back in, modifying these orders, and changing these profit levels all over again. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. For more information about VO Pro, please visit the web page shown here. Thank you.